Hey students, so today we are going to learn about object oriented programming. So this is the second part of the lesson. Now today we are going to learn about the OOD, otherwise we can say it object oriented design. Let's see what is the main aim of the object oriented design. So the main is to improve the quality and the productivity of the system analysis and design by making it more usable. So this is the main aim of the object oriented design. These are two approaches. First one is structured approach and second one is object oriented approach. Let's see what are the approaches are. So first one is structured approach. Structured approach program is divided into number of submodules or function. The structured approach function call is used and problem-oriented approach software use is not possible for this approach. The second one is object-oriented approach. The object-oriented approach program is organized by having number of classes and objects, and message passing is already uses, and this object-oriented approach is problem domain-oriented approach. And the last one is reusability is possible for this object-oriented approach. See what is UML. We can say it Unified Modeling Language. So this is the stands for the UML, Unified Modeling Language. So we use this language for model software solutions, application structures, system behaviors and business processes. So this is the UML. Let's see what are the main categories of this UML language. So these are two categories. First one is structural diagrams and the second one is behavioral diagrams. So let's talk about the each diagrams. First one is structural diagram. So in the structural diagram describes the static structure of the system. It describes static structure of the system. So let's take an example for this diagram. I'll take this example. It is class diagrams. We use class diagrams for shows classes, their attributes, methods and the relationships. This is the example and the first category of the UML. Let's see the second one. Second one is behavioral diagrams. We are using these behavioral diagrams for describe the main dynamic behavior of the system. So for example, we can take use case diagram. So use case diagram shows how users interacted with the system and the system's functionality, and this is the example for behavioral diagram in the UML. So we are talking about the structural diagrams and the behavioral diagram. There are so many types in these diagrams. Let's see what are they. In the UML diagram types, there are two types. I'll said it before. First one is structural diagram. In the structural diagram, there are so many types. We can take class diagram, component diagram, deployment diagram, object diagram, package diagram, profile diagram and composite structural diagram. So these are the types of structure diagrams, and the behavior diagrams we can take for these use case diagram, activity diagram, state machine diagram, sequence diagrams, communication diagrams, interaction overview diagrams and time-in diagram. These are the two types and their types in the UML diagrams. We are already know the two types and the so many types in these diagrams. So let's talk about these diagrams in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's see it with your friends and see you soon. Stay safe and happy. Bye bye.